And I'm riding around over here on Santa Barbara and McNichols. And I run across this Wonkoo Food Factory. So I'm about to see what that's hitting on, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. And I guess only come here if you want to pay a Detroit tax, because that's something new to me. Every food truck I go to, I've never heard of a Detroit tax. Oh yeah, the city, man, you know, they taxing me, man. You know, they making us tax you. Boy, that don't even make sense. You the only food truck I ever seen, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this probably be my first and last time coming. Before I even got to the food, bro. Customer service, 4 out of 10, bro. Now, as I'm on the menu, this is what I'm looking for. I was trying to get the walking burger. I got the deep fried tips with the mac and cheese and the yams on the side and with the cracked grapes. He told me they wasn't 5, they was 10. Bruh, something fishy about this shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. And I just had to go double back, bro, because I had to make sure for sure. And bro told me that downtown is where they get taxed. And I'm looking like, my nigga, you on 6 Mile in Santa Barbara, bro. What you taxing for, bro? That's what I'm trying to understand, bro. I swear to God, I hope this food is straight, bro. These the fried rib tips. And then this is the mac and cheese, which this shit like potato salad. I'm trying to figure out, I don't know, bro. These are yams. We're gonna see what it's hitting on. We're gonna start with the potato salad first. I mean the macaroni. That's what it looked like. That's a 2 out of 10. It tastes like them noodles. Like, I think I got some in the cabinet. Hold on. It tastes like this. Macaroni not supposed to taste like that. 2 out of 10. Jump right into the yams. Those are canned yams. I could tell the difference. I eat a lot, bro. Stop playing with me. 2 out of 10, because I don't really can stuff. Like, I just don't like canned stuff. And then we just gonna jump right into the ribs. I'm gonna grab the smallest one just in case I'm disappointed. That's what it looked like. I mean, they're nice and crispy, not too hard. Whatever sauce this is good. Barbecue sauce is good. It's a decent amount of meat on the bone. Nigga, pause. I'll probably give these about a 5 or a 6 out of 10. Or probably like a 6 out of 10. They not too bad. But that mac and cheese and them yams, that's a no-go, bro. Y'all go on y'all own accord. These are my taste buds. I'm going off what I like according to my taste buds. Go at your own risk. And they also got the option called crack grapes. Yeah, I said it. Crack grapes. These shit hits harder than the 80s do. Let's see. Bro, honestly, it just look like grapes with, I don't know. It look good. It just look like grapes with Pop Rock juice or Pop Rock crumbs. I feel like, of course, that's gonna be good or decent. It's just a great with whatever Pop Rocks. I feel like this is Pop Rocks. That's what it tastes like. I eat Pop Rocks, or used to at a certain point in time. That's exactly what this tastes like. I get it's about a 4 or 5 out of 10.